What's up guys, it's good to have you back again. Today we are going to be talking about how to improve CPU performance in FL Studio. You know, how to reduce lagging, what some people call dragging. Look at this place, you can see my RAM, the consumption and all that. They're about 60%, I should load more plugins now to increase to about 70, 80. When you get to that point, it's time to raid. And what will happen next is that you will not be able to make your beats again. So, how do we fix that problem? Let's get down to options. Audio settings. This guy, priority, keep that at highest. And mix in buffer switch, turn that on. Triple buffer, turn that on. And safe overload, turn that on. Just in case you've done all these and you're still facing the issue. The next thing you will want to do is, let's go to View. Plugin Performance Monitor. Now let's find the plugin that's giving us this problem, because it has to be one plugin or the other. Now we've seen our guy, DM Strat Clean Room. Here's our guy. Let's solo it. DM Strat. Okay, now let's observe carefully. Observe this place. Observe the percentage where it's eating. It's around 50 something. Okay, now let's go down here. We have this guy, DM Strat. Right click. Consolidate this track from start. Start. Okay, now that we are done, you want to delete this guy. Get that guy off. Now we have a waveform here of what we are playing. Because the plugin is still there, it's giving us a little issue around here. So you will go look for the plugin itself and delete. You can see. Here's the highest, 1112. And just in case you have any other heavy plugin in your workspace, go this guy, we're not using it, delete. Delete this track. This is where we had that guitar. So since we're not using that guitar again, we're not working with the wave. Reset. And our problem has been solved forever. Our problem has been solved forever. So okay. In our next video, I will show you guys how to complete the Afrobeat that we were making. Remember, we were working on how to make a Nigerian Afrobeat before we encountered that issue. That's why I had to pause and show you guys how to solve the problem about the system, the CPU overload. So now that we are done with that, you can fix that in your system just in case you're having the same issue